Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my Hummer H2, how you can change your burn bulb on your brake light. It's very easy process. Open your hood. There you go. There you go. As you've seen, the accident happens. The trunk panel just broke off. It's a normal wear and tear. With the heat, sun, the plastic gets brittle and the taps get broken. Now the question is, how are you going to fix it? Either you go to the dealership, which is going to cost you a lot of money, could be $600-700, and you can get the trunk panel, or you can repair it yourself. So please stay tuned for that. I'm going to put a video out there in case you have a broken one, how to fix it. Please watch that video. So we're going to open the trunk. In order to open the brake lights, you need a Torx driver. It has 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to open these. Once all the screws are open, this is held by the clips, one on the top, one at the bottom. So this one you just pry it out. So once you pull this one out, these are the 2 metal clips. One goes in here, one goes here, and that holds in place. And now we're going to take the brake light. And this is really important, that you don't pry this one out. You only pull this one up this much, then we're going to pull this way. Once you pull it out, then it comes out. And now you turn anti-clockwise and you take the bulb out and you replace it with the new one. Put it back in and just turn it clockwise. Same thing with the reverse light. That's how it's easy and simple to change your bulbs if they are not working. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Step. And please stay tuned for more videos on Hummer H2. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.